So shooting a product video might be the best thing that you can do right now. Let me tell you why in a second. What's up everyone, my name is Jia Woei and I'm a freelance filmmaker. So today we're in Kanaan Square and right now there's like a lot of construction, a lot of noise going on, but then hopefully you can hear me and I'm wearing a mask because you know, COVID-19. During this time I think it's very hard to shoot any client-based videos where you need like actors or actresses. So I think it's crucial for all of us to learn a bit on how we should shoot product videos. People can transmit diseases through products, I know, but then you can sanitize the product, and for some other people, those wouldn't want to sanitize their hands or whatsoever. It's quite hard. So you know, I'm not gonna get into details lah. Okay, so before I get busy, let me introduce you to my friends, which are behind the camera. Come on guys. Okay, so I have a few friends with me today. So this is
Jia Woei.
And this is...
I'm Sam.
Yeah, so he's gonna be the model. This is gonna be... he's gonna be...
Another challenges by Jerry.
So
he challenged me to also take part in this product videography shootings.
Yeah, we're not actually doing a challenge, bro.
Serious?
Yeah, so if you want to watch their videos, the links is gonna be in the description and we have an end card. Anyways, let's get busy. So tip number one is to understand what product you are shooting, okay? So for example, today we're shooting a product from Gaston Luga, not sponsored, but sponsoring Sam. I know, right? Why Sam? It's okay. It's okay. I'm very grateful. Like at least we have something to shoot. I feel grateful that Sam reached out to me and Jia Woei to shoot this product, and I'm enjoying the process. So you have to understand the product and then feel the product. Really get to know what are you shooting. Okay. So right now we're shooting a bag. So how does this bag look, and then what's the story behind this bag? Because if you can get into the details of like how this bag, how can this bag exist in this world, so it's very easy for you to tell the story through video. So for example, you're not gonna shoot a cosmetic commercial in the jungle, right? But although it's gonna be cool, but then it's not gonna be practical. Yeah, so for this bag, for example, this is quite a minimalistic bag, so that's why we choose Kanaan Square. It's quite a what do you call this? Quite a minimalistic place. Can you say, Jia Woei? Yeah, so like I said, there's not much colors going on in Kanaan Square, so I think it's perfect for this bag. Yeah, we're trying to bring out a bit of like a minimalist lifestyle, simple lifestyle, and with Sam right here, with Sam dressing as like quite a minimalistic a bit guy, not too much bright colors, so it really suits the story of the bag. Yeah, right? Yes.
Thank you, bro. No touching, no hand touching.
Okay, moving on. The second tip is to start shooting. Like when you already understand the product, you know how to shoot, where to shoot already. So without wasting any more time is to start shooting. We don't really necessarily have to know the technical parts of it, but if you already understand the product good enough, it's very easy for you to find out how to shoot the product. One more bonus tip is to focus on the experience, because when you're using a product, you need to know how does it feel like to use the product itself. So right now, Mr. Jia Woei is shooting the experience of like Sam using the bag. Yeah. So that's what I'm saying. Yeah.
I was looking at this container. It looks quite tourist-ish, but it has like logo on them.
That's the focus.
Oh, there's a focus. Sorry.
No. Okay, yeah. Okay. So what do you want to shoot here at the container?
For me, right, like he's wearing this bag. He's trying to explore the place and like throughout the cities. And I find it this container is kind of a bit Tory-ish. So because there's like some sort of cartoon pattern on it, and I think it really suits the
theme.
The theme of him exploring places that he's going through. Yeah, that's why I choose this background for this scene and these shots.
Also, we have to focus on the experience of the human, because in the end, humans will be using the product anyways. So if you can resonate with the person on your screen who's using the product, then you can feel it. If he's feeling nice, you feel nice. If he's feeling sad, then you feel sad. Yeah, so it's all about how you project the product to your target audience, to the people. And that's a very key part when it comes to product videography, because you want people to feel good after using the product. You have to portray yourself feeling good using the product, even though if it doesn't feel good. That's a sad truth about marketing, man. Okay, that's it for the video. It's a very short one. Hopefully you can learn something about product videography. So if you want to check out Jia Woei's video, he does some amazing videos. It's like the same folder of Kuching. So yeah, so you can check his videos. It's very awesome. And for Sam, you can check out his video as well. He does some
YouTube stuff lah.
Yeah, YouTube stuff lah. Okay. Yeah, so
you can use my code if you want, SamuelTan15 for 15% off if you're buying from their store. Check out our links in the description and subscribe. Yeah. Thanks for watching.
bye guys. Alright. See you.